In today's episode of Cake Mom, we are going to make some yummy, super healthy, and really kid-friendly lactation granola bars. Let's go. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby. This is Emery. That's Aaliyah. On this channel, I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button and that notifications bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So today I wanted to bring you a new lactation treat, and honestly, these guys are obsessed with granola bars. So we wanted to make a lactation bar that's good for mommy and for kids. Everyone can eat them and they're gonna be delicious. The recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need for the basic bar. Old-fashioned rolled oats, peanut butter, jelly, 1 egg, coconut oil, flax meal, brewer's yeast, and a little bit of baking soda. As for flavors and textures, we are adding into our granola bars some chopped up dates, shredded coconut, pecans, and protein powder for a little extra boost. And we're gonna top our granola bars off with some melted chocolate, because that's what these guys requested. To start off, we are going to whip together our peanut butter, jelly, eggs, and coconut oil. Next, we're going to stir in our oats and all the other dry ingredients. I kind of like to add my dry ingredients all together first, so that we don't end up with any clumps of the brewer's yeast or the flax meal or even the baking soda. Want it to be all well combined so you don't bite into something yucky. So we're going to add the flax meal, brewer's yeast, and baking soda into the oats, give it a good stir, and fold it into our peanut butter jelly mixture. We are going to stir in the rest of our add-ins. So we have our dates, pecans, shredded coconut, and protein powder. Stir all of that in, and then we're going to spread this out on a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper, and use another sheet of parchment paper to flatten it out so we get a nice even surface to drizzle our chocolate on. Now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're kind of golden brown and look cooked and delicious. Then we're gonna cool them down and drizzle them with chocolate. There you go, our lactation granola bars, also known as booby bars or magic milk bars. Alright, so let's give them a try. Which one do you want? That one? I'm just gonna try one of this one. Aaliyah, are you gonna try one? Yeah? It's like a peanut butter oatmeal cookie. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, you might also love our lactation brownies right over here. Go check it out. Those are delicious also. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below because we want to hear from you, and share it with all your friends. Please don't forget to hit that notifications bell and that subscribe button so that you can see when I post my next video. Have a great one.